Welcome to this video tutorial on Simlessly's demo mode for the RSP platform. With this mode, you can get an idea of how the platform can benefit you even before applying for the free trial. Upon registration, you'll have access to default demo data, including configurations and activation codes. This allows you to explore the platform before providing your credit card details for the free trial. Once registered, simply click on this icon on the top right, and a tour guide will appear. This guide will help you navigate and effectively use the product. Click Got it to proceed to the next step. You can also click on the green demo button to view the generated profile on the fleet page. Additional demo details will be displayed after scanning the esim QR code. That's easy, isn't it? If you have any questions, write to us at the email address contact@simlessly.com or leave feedback by clicking this icon. See you in another video. Bye.